to show you how to make a sand mix with one of the colors, so we better get started. What I'm going to be showing you now is how to make a sand gel polish, and you only need to make a little bit just for, say, an accent nail. I'm going to be using Madame Glam's color Mochaccino, and you can use real fine sand like this. This is actually from Siesta Key, and if you can't find real sand from Siesta Key, you can use clear embossing powder, and you can find this at any craft store. We're going to use the embossing powder because that's easy for everyone to find. You only want to make enough for maybe 1 or 2 nails. And then you just want to mix it up. And it creates a slight textured polish, especially when you're using the embossing powder. Now if you use the fine sand, it would be a little bit more textured. So I think I'll make just a little bit more. Now it looks a little bit pasty. That's where I come in. You add probably 1 more drop to it. And that is perfect. I like that. See how beautifully textured that is? It's going to go great with the beach nail that I'm making. And I'm using a softer gel brush to apply this. I think I'm only going to need like 1 layer here. You kind of want to tap it on there a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Here are the 2 nails painted. I think 1 coat is sufficient. And there's what I have left over, so there really is very little waste.